Okay, everyone, it's my birthday today, and tomorrow is April Fool's Day, and one of the April Fool's pranks that you shouldn't do. This is seriously not a joke. This is seriously not a prank. This is very, 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 very serious. Do not misuse emergency equipment, and do not prank call 911. That is a big no no. You don't ever do those things because you will put people's lives at risk if you do that. So don't ever do that. 911 is very serious. You only call 911 when there is a life threatening emergency, like a fire, a car accident, someone gets seriously hurt or sick. If someone has a gun, or if a bad guy breaks into your house in the middle of the night while you are sleeping. And if someone is in legal trouble that needs to be taken to jail. But you don't do that as a prank, you don't do that as a joke. It is not for fun at all. If you pull a fire alarm in a public building, what you are doing if you pull it without a fire is prank calling 911 because most fire alarm systems these days automatically contact the fire department so the fire department can be there quickly if there were a real fire. But if you activate it without a fire, you are wasting the fire department's time. So pulling alarms calls 911. And if you do that without a emergency, you are prank calling 911 because of how fire alarm systems are wired or any life safety alarm systems. So do not pull any alarms in any public building. At school, do not push the alarm to skip a test or a pop quiz. You don't do it at all. Same thing with the police alarm in the school. Don't mess with that. Don't mess with any life safety equipment at school. That will get you expelled. When I was in grade school, there were a lot of kids that pulled the fire alarm in elementary school. There were a lot of kids in my elementary school that thought it was funny to pull the fire alarm and waste the fire department's time. But it is not. I am sure that those people at a real fire somewhere else probably died. So it is not funny because you put someone else's life at risk. You probably put someone's loved ones at risk. Yes, you killed someone's loved ones by doing that. So that is not a joke. The fire alarm is only to be pulled when there is a real fire inside of a building. Or if you have permission to pull it for a fire drill, or if you have permission to test the fire alarm system, or if you have your own fire alarm system at home in a controlled legal environment that doesn't contact the fire department like all fire alarm enthusiasts do. If it's not for those reasons, you do not pull it. You do not tamper with it. Goodbye.